So here's how you can optimize your PC for better performance. If you feel your PC is slow, right click on Start menu and you have to go to Computer Management. Then you have to go to Task Scheduler. Then you have to click on this and you have to delete all of this. Wherever is the task is there, you have to delete all of them. You have to go to Startup. So I'm going to go to Task Manager. You can also right click on this and click on Task Manager. You have to go to Startup Apps and you have to disable anything except this kind of icon, which is responsible for your sound, and this is for OneNote. And next, I'm going to go to Microsoft Edge. You can follow the same thing on your different kind of browser, and you have to go to Setting. So under Setting, you have to go to System and Performance, and you have to disable these two: Startup Boost and continue running background extension and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. So you have to disable these two options. So when it is done, then you can close this. And next you have to go to Setting and you have to go to Storage. Under Storage, you have to click on Storage Management and you have to check this on, and also uh, this check this thing on, and you can do this every day. Run storage sense every day and delete recycle bin file. And next you can under storage you have to click here temporary file and you can click on refresh. So it will remove basically your older version of Windows and your temporary files. So it is useful. And next you have to right click on this and click on run. Alternatively, you can use Windows plus R and you have to type ms config and hit enter. So under service tab, you have to click on hide all Microsoft services and you can uh, uncheck anything that's like with browser name like Microsoft Edge, or it could be Chrome, or it could be Firefox, or it could be any other browser. You can disable that and it will make your PC almost 3 times faster, or sometimes 10 times faster. So you have to click OK and you have to just restart your computer.